Cooking with Kiani. Cooking with Kiani. Cooking with Kiani. Cooking with Kiani. I have my shorts, and this is the TikTok, okay? Let's put on my little robe. Hey, it's your girl Kookie Kiani, and today we're continuing on these cleaning videos, okay? This is the kitchen. It's not really dirty. Like, I have a handful of dishes right here that I need to wash, right? So we're gonna do that. I need to get rid of all of this clutter and stuff right here. Figure out where I'm gonna put all of this stuff. I need to reorganize this whole entire kitchen. And I got a table. I got an adjustable desk with wheels and stuff on it, so I can record more cooking videos and stuff. So let's get into these dishes, okay? I don't know, it's not gonna be good lighting in here for real. I'm gonna put y'all over here, so that way we can get natural lighting. Y'all see all this junk over here? This all needs to be organized. There's barely any dishes, see? Literally, this pan, a cup, it's like 5 dishes. So I'm gonna wash these, and then we're gonna go put this damn table together. This water will scald you, okay? The dishes are clean. Now, the real work. Because this is probably gonna take me a couple of days to do, even though there's not much to clean up in here. Because I need to put this table away. And then I'm gonna have to do organization. Okay, I gotta read these instructions. You already know, first things first, all of this needs to be unboxed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Support your girl. Y'all can't really see. It basically said, connect these like this. So, I got this side connected. Now it's saying attach these like this. Watch this. Take this. Let me go get my drill. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done putting this together. It's together now. Here's the moment of truth. Let's flip it over. Oh wait, maybe I was supposed to hook it up before I flip it over. Okay. This and this. Step 3. Oh, I think I missed some stuff. I'm supposed to attach this. I think it's saying to attach it right here. So let's see. Right here. Well, let's see. Okay, well, clearly it's easy to slide this back and forth, but I thought I got one with wheels on it. But it doesn't even matter because this is perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. And now, I might need to make sure I tighten these screws over here. Yeah, y'all see it? Cooking with Kiani, cooking with Kiani, cooking with Kiani, cooking with Kiani. Okay. Perfect. Now I got extra counter space to cook. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.